And this is still part of the original contractor area. There is a flag along here. Actually, two little flags. A ways up, and I'll see if I can find it and point it out to where the one contractor stopped and the new one started. And if you're a mountain biker, you can see that so far there's really no technicals along here. A brand new rider might have a little bit of trouble, but a mountain biker take this into stride. To my knowledge, there are no drops. A few tight curves. Okay, well, I'm still in fourth gear and in trail mode. Okay, so what's the difference between Quail Springs Trail and Black Canyon Trail? I mean, they're parallel. They go up this mountain, but you can see we're not really going up the mountain. We're winding our way. Whereas if you go up Black Canyon Trail, there are not a lot of turns to it like this. There's a few. This is how you break a steep ascent down into a doable grade by winding sideways back and forth until you get to the top. Now you've gone a longer distance, but you've ascended the same height. And the physics will tell you that, like with pulleys and wheels, if you increase the distance, you get more power, more ability to do stuff. I mean, the ridiculous example is if you just to go straight up the hill in a straight line. That would be very difficult if you could even stay upright on the slope. And it's still fairly cool. I'm not sure I'm going to see a snake. In the next hour. They'll be out. And they're here somewhere. There's plenty to eat. You can see the tire tracks along here. Could even be that guy I saw on a red bike. So, to get to the construction, my understanding is that the trail is not completed yet. It's supposed to connect to Copper Chief. And Copper Chief is part of the Blowout Canyon Trail system, which is it starts over by Yavapai College. But this trail, Copper Chief, goes right along the ridge, all the way over to here, and has been completed to connect with Black Canyon Trail. But this one is supposed to connect to Copper Chief, oh, I'm not sure, a half a mile, maybe more, from that intersection of Copper Chief and Black Canyon. And it's really close. Now, a rider riding a bike that may weigh 30 pounds could lift it up and carry it the remaining distance of uncompleted trail to get onto Copper Chief. And then once on Copper Chief, if you go to the right, you're going to head towards Yavapai College. You'll cross Forest Road 493. You'll meet up with a bunch of trails in the Blowout Canyon Trail system. But if you go to the left at the top of this trail, hitting Copper Chief, then you will hit Black Canyon Trail. And once on Black Canyon Trail, you could take Black Canyon Trail back down another route and make a loop out of it, which is what I hope to do someday. I'm certainly not going to do that today, because this bike weighs over 50 pounds and I'm not prepared to lift it up and carry it up the side of the mountain. At least not without help. So